Why is my HVAC system using so much electricity? Your system is likely working overtime because of dirty filters, leaky ductwork, an aging unit, or a thermostat setting that keeps forcing the system to run longer than it needs to. Think of your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system like a person trying to breathe through a mask covered in dust. When the filter is clogged, the system has to push much harder to move air through your home, and that extra effort burns a lot more electricity. Leaky ducts are another sneaky problem because cooled or heated air escapes into your attic or walls before it ever reaches your rooms, so the system just keeps running to make up for the loss. Something many people do not know is that a unit size too large for your home can actually waste more energy than a smaller one because it turns on and off constantly instead of running in longer, steady cycles. Every time it starts up, it uses a burst of extra power, so those short cycles add up fast on your bill. Changing your filter every 1 to 3 months is one of the simplest ways to instantly reduce strain on the system. One common mistake is closing vents in unused rooms thinking it saves energy, but this actually raises pressure in the ducts and makes the system work harder, so it is better to leave vents open and balanced. Another misconception is that a bigger, more powerful unit always cools or heats faster and cheaper, when in reality, proper sizing matters far more than raw power. People also forget to schedule a yearly tune-up, and skipping that lets small issues turn into big, expensive electricity drains. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message back with their estimates.